Hello guys and welcome to Chioma's recipes. On today's recipe, we'll be making a fertility drink. It's 100% fertility drink with testimonies. Um, so we'll be needing these ingredients for the fertility drink. We'll be needing avocado, we'll be needing banana, very ripe banana. We'll be needing milk, we'll be needing dates. The dates are without seeds so that it can be blended quickly in your blender. We'll also be needing raw egg. And the egg, it is advised you wash the egg properly, the shell of the egg properly before you break in. So we'll dive right into the video. So guys, we'll start right with the date. I'll be putting the date into the blender. Then the avocado, I'll be cutting it. We'll be using the whole avocado pear. So we'll be cracking the egg into the blender. And lastly, the milk. So we'll be blending this together now. So guys, it's ready. If you are a woman, you need to start taking this 3 days after your period might have started. From the third day, you need to start taking this, and maybe till for 5 days. You can take it for 5 days or 7 days, according to how you want. But 5 to 7 days is okay. And it helps you to prepare you towards your ovulation and help you grow your follicles. It will make your follicles grow fast, and with that, it will aid your ovulation to come fast for the pregnancy. So you're advised to start taking this from the third day. And I promise you, pregnancy is guaranteed while you are on this drink. It might be for 2 months or 3 months whenever you see your period, but I promise you, pregnancy is guaranteed. For natural pregnancies, if you're going for IUI, if you're going for IVF, just take it to help you. It will help the follicles to grow, and with that, your pregnancy is guaranteed. I have testimonies. I have those that have done this, and they right now they are pregnant, and some of them have their babies. So I would urge you to try this out and see if it's going to work, and also share these recipes to other women who are currently um, on fertility treatment, and those who are currently praying for children to be pregnant. You can also give this drink to your husbands. It helps increase low sperm count and motility. If you have watched up till this time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share this video to those friends and families that will be in need of this video. Thanks for watching, and bye.